I'm Andy Harris and I am the Chief Technical Officer of Osirium, and we're here in Geneva, which is interesting because Geneva is a gorgeous place. It's about 11:30 in the morning and I've been listening to the first few presentations that have been discussing the risks that we face, and in some cases how we're going to deal with them, but mostly the fact that they're all risks and we should be worried about them. Now this afternoon I'm going to give a presentation, and in that presentation I'm going to say the bottom line about all these risks is that it's all to do with privilege. Your adversaries are going to use the privileges against you, and I plan to give 3 different strategies of how to deal with that. I've listened to 4 presentations now, and what we're seeing is a really good overview of the range of risks that people are facing. We had a presentation this morning that took us all the way back through the supply chain, and I was thinking to myself, this is a great presentation, but no one in this room can do anything about the neon supplies in Ukraine. And then we learned from some other presentations about where the routes which threats arrive at organisations. And I was thinking to myself about statistics, about the way that statistics were being used, and I was thinking that we really need to understand that because we're in an open society and content can move around all over the place, that is the main attack vector, and then we need to deal with it while it's in there. We heard another presentation which was about the fact there's just not enough security people to go around, and my reflections on that, and I did have a chat with the chap from UBS who's enormously interesting, is that automation is the way to deal with that. If you haven't got enough people to do something, we have this phrase in our development team. I look after developers, and that is, if you find yourself doing something 3 times, get a computer to do it. I'm really looking forward to getting into the rest of the conference and seeing what people have got to say.